Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how should we start developing with Java Enterprise application. So there are a few things which we will need for starting with Java EE application development. First we need download JDK, that is Java Development Environment. Then you should download Eclipse, which should be Eclipse JEE, that is needed for creating web applications with the help of Java, JSP and Servlet. So I'll show you the URLs and how to proceed for the installation. First, just hit this query, search for Java JDK downloads Windows 7 64-bit, search in Google. So go for the website where Oracle is mentioned, because this is the official website. I will prefer to download JDK 8. Over here you can see there are loads of versions for Linux, for Mac, for Solaris and Windows x86. Make sure if you have a 64-bit system is you're having, then you will need JDK 64-bit and JEE Eclipse 64-bit. Right now I do have 64-bit system, then I'll go for downloading Windows X 64-bit, that is almost 197.78 MB installation. Accept. Then over here download. I'll copy this link location. Hope it will work out. Download from link. Okay. Once you're done with the installation, the next steps are you just need to do finish finish, just like the normal installations. You will be given the installation wizard where you just need to select the directory. Normally if you're downloading 64-bit, then the Java installation path should be C, program files, and then JDK. Maybe it is 64-bit, so x64, something like that, and then you can see Java, and then you can see JDK. This is the path. When you install, it will automatically set environment variable. In official website they've given how to set the environment path and everything. If it is, then I'll show you the link. So it is like even when Eclipse needs to be launched, it will look out whether JDK is installed or not, and how it will come to know. It will go out for environment variables over there. If this path is mentioned, then it can get the java.exe which will help Eclipse to be launched. Okay, next step is download Eclipse Jee 64-bit. Okay, here it is. eclipse.org will give you the download. Over there you can go. I'll just copy this link, copy link location. Here it is. Oops, this is something different. Here we go. Copy this link, paste it over here, and then please observe Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. It may be Java SE developer for standalone application developers, but in this case we'll need Java EE. Over here you can go for Windows 64-bit. Listen to me very carefully, it is Windows 64-bit. I'll copy this link location. Just hit this URL and you will get Jee 64-bit, and if you need 32-bit version is this one. In my case I'm using Linux, so I'll use Linux 32-bit. Let me show you. Copy link location. If you're using 64-bit Linux, then go for this option. So I'll click on this. Just save the file, as simple as that. Once you're done with installation, or complete installation, it is really simple. Next, finish. It is as simple as any installation. Once you're done, next tip you'll need is Apache TOMCAT. Where to get it? Simple, our friend Google will help you out. Go over here, Google, download Apache TOMCAT 7. In my case I'm downloading for Ubuntu. In your case you should download for Windows. So I'll download for Ubuntu 64-bit. Remember what query I've searched. In your case it will be Ubuntu or Windows or Mac. Does not matter. Okay. There are many instruction pages you can refer if you're getting stuck somewhere. For this moment I just need the official page where I can download this TOMCAT. Here it is. I can download 7 or 8. Let's go for 7. Here is link. Okay. Okay, now over here, either bind distributions where you need to click next finish, or you can go for source code distribution. Here it is. I'll download zip. You can download 64-bit Windows zip. In my case, I'm going for the zip. Copy link location. For ubuntu or Windows. This is Windows 64-bit. Almost everybody is having 64-bit version. That's why I'm taking for granted. And it does not matter if you need the 32-bit. Here is the link. You just need to tag this link, this one. Just hit here for download. Okay. Wait for a few seconds. Hey, hello everybody. Now we're done with downloading all the resources required for our project. So the next step will be, we're just going to we're now just going to hello everybody. Now I'm going to extract my downloaded Eclipse, then my downloaded Apache Tomcat, next step will be go to Eclipse, search here for this icon. In case of if you're using Windows, then it is eclipse.exe. Run it. Here we go. We've got the splash screen. Okay, it's like I do also done double click. Only single instance is allowed. Now it is loading. Now it is telling me to select the workspace. So what I'm going to do is we'll select the entirely different workspace over here. Go to your store, then I have this blog, and now I'm creating workspace right over here. The workspace is like a folder where your projects will be saved. JEE. Okay, click on OK. Now it is loading Eclipse JEE. Once the loading is done, it will show you this entire thing given by Eclipse. Now I'll click on File, New, Dynamic Web Project. I repeat once again, File, New, then Dynamic Web Project. JEE Sample. Shiva Prince. You can name anything. Here Dynamic Web Module version is 3.0. Target runtime we have not defined. I'll show you later how it is defined. I just need to click Finish. It says Dynamic Web Module requires with 3.0 and Java 1.6 or new. So how can we set this Java runtime environment? Click on New Runtime. Over here I'll select Apache Tomcat 7. Now browse, then go to Store, go to Blog. I have this Tomcat. Once I've selected Tomcat, okay, click on Finish. It's like I've given the Tomcat. Okay, now I can create my dynamic web project because I've given the server, I've given the directory where the structure should be created. Here it is. Now to test if it is working fine, I'll just create one simple JSP. Go over here, right click, new JSP file. Now name this file as login.jsp. Click on finish. Now to print anything on JSP, we use echo or just to print the sum to test if JSP is working fine. I've given 2 plus 3 or right like this. Now when I click on right click run on server, just I've defined this server, click on next, click on finish, and this way I've deployed my first JSP. Now let's see what is the output. Here we are. It is loading my output as 5. This means I've successfully deployed my application. Okay. So when it comes to server, we just need to define where my server zip is located after extraction. Thank you all. We're done with installation part of Eclipse JEE and we'll set up the environment. Thank you. Subscribe our channel Shiva Prills. Thank you.